So, I'm back again. Now, I can't believe I sat and did that whole catalogue tour with my phone round the wrong way, because as far as I'm concerned, it was all good. It was all good. So I'm really hoping that for this part, I've changed my orientation. I'm now portrait instead of landscape, and I'm really hoping that you can see this fine. So let's start. I'm waiting for someone to come on live just so that they can tell me whether or not you can. Oh, we have somebody. Hello, someone. Can somebody just give me a thumbs up, or just tell me that you are round the right way, you can read it and you can hear me? Jan, can you see me? Yes! Hurrah! Oh dear me. Right, okay, let's whiz through Sale-a-Bration then. Goodness me, I don't know. So again, grab your Sale-a-Bration catalogues if you've got them, or you can have a look online. You will have seen I have posted the links to both the Spring Summer catalogue and the Sale-a-Bration catalogue on my page, so you can have a look there. But this is the Sale-a-Bration catalogue. So Sale-a-Bration is something that Stampin' Up has been doing for a long time now. It's great for January, when everyone's getting over their Christmas blues and back to work. Thanks, Jan. I'm around the right way now. So it started on the 3rd of January and it runs all the way through to the 31st of March. Now, the first thing I need to say about Sale-a-Bration is that all these products are while stocks last. So it could be that some of these run out before that time. Hopefully we'll get an indication and we'll be able to tell you. But as always, the best way to get them is to get in there early. But look at this. How fab is this? Again, blues and greens, my favourite colours. So some great samples here and some great products. So different Sale-a-Bration this year, but again, you've got all the information in here that you need to know. So here is the catalogue. 3 different ways that you can benefit from during Sale-a-Bration. So the first one is that if you shop with me, and you've seen links on this page as well, or just go to www.natalieoshea.stampinup.net. You go straight through to my page, or go to my website www.natalieoshea.co.uk, and there's links all over there as well. So what Sale-a-Bration has normally been is that if you spend £45, you get to pick something in the Sale-a-Bration catalogue for free, and that still is right, but there's more this year. So these ones here with the greeny blue, whatever you want to call it, all these items are free with a £45 purchase. But on the back couple of pages are some now that are bigger items that are free with a £90 purchase. So yeah, we'll go through them. So just have a look at those. But each one throughout here has got what it is on there. So those 2 symbols signify the differences. So in fact, let's do that first. So let's go through what you can pick. So here we go. So again, we're looking for quick and easy there. We've got, this one is the free with the £45 Heartfelt Blooms. This is actually a new style of Stampin' Up stamps. They're so intricate. I'm trying to remember what the name is, and of course off the top of my head I can't remember now. Oh, there it is. Look, our new distinctive stamps lay down the ink at different opacities, giving the finished image more depth. Just ink the surface lightly for a perfect photographic finish. So yeah, so new style of stamps basically. So you're not having to do multi-layers of stamping in slightly different shades or slightly different colours. It does it for you. So again, with a thinking of you, thank you, and sending heartfelt thoughts. It's great single stamp there, but just beautiful. So again, some more ideas. So here's a project using the free item, all there showing you what you can make. So there's that punch we were talking about, and some other bits, and more samples here as well, showing that actually you don't have to just use it in one colour. You can start using, you can colour it in. So once you stamped it, if you stamp it in something like a single ink colour, you could then colour it in with watercolour pencils or an aqua painter to get these different coloured effects as well. So moving on, we've got a great card kit here, and in fact I've got this here to show you because I love a kit. So you get 8 of these cards. So there we go. 4 of the Berry Burst and 4 of the crumb cake, let's say. Am I going to say that? Sahara Sand. Oh, I was umming and ahhing about Sahara Sand. So there we go. So I've made a couple of them up for you because, you know, I love a kit. And the pictures are there. But it just, what I didn't realise as well is it actually has, look, all this. So you could stick that down if you wanted to, or you could leave it if you were writing someone a long note. You could write there and carry on there. So you're just folding it over. And then there's a few die cuts. So again, let me move that out of the way. If I can move this. There you go. Look, you get all the bits and bobs. A lot of these are upside down. So all the flowers are done, the thank yous. You get it in French and German as well. So if you know anyone French or German, or you are French and German, then you can have those as well. Some congratulations. And it even comes with some little glue dots as well. Gets your envelopes. But I thought they were lovely. Do like those. Do like those. So there we go. So very easy. Just adding some embellishments with the glue dots. But great gatefold cards. So you get a pack of 8 of those, so 8 trifold cards and 8 envelopes and everything in the kit there. So again, if you like quick cards, they're easy. Beautiful peacock. So I didn't quite get this to start with. This body of the peacock, and this is the body of the peacock, but these are the kind of tail feathers behind. Yeah, I haven't chanced this yet, but I have also seen some beautiful things made with it as well. So this is free with a £45 order, but you can actually just use the flourishes as well and the background stamps as well on that one. But there you go, you can see the bird and the background feathers as well. So moving on to lots of lavender. So this actually colours this stamp set. So these are kind of extra bits, watercoloury bits that colour the background for you. So a great set there, £45. Here's a project using that. And then you've got some shimmer ribbon. So 3 reels of ribbon. They're 4.6 metres each, which is 5 yards. That's why they're always odd, because it was American originally. Based on that, so 4.6 metres, and they are a shimmery. Let's see if I can grab them. These have still got cellophane on, but you can see there, hopefully, that they've got a shimmer on them, and you get 3 different sizes as well. So a thin and fatter. Love them, really good, really good. In Bermuda Bay, Calypso Coral, and Basic Grey. So moving swiftly on. Again, more projects. Again, you've got some things from the annual catalogue in there, but that's the Sweet Soiree stamp set. A nice stamp scrap page down there as well. So more. This is actually a Memories and More card pack. So Sweet Soiree, we obviously went through that, and you saw the Sweet Soiree suite in the main catalogue. So these coordinate with that, so you can use both bits together as well. But a great set for and more as well. If you've got teenagers, teenage boys especially, we all know that making cards for boys are hard. Look at this. Know someone who plays the guitar, know someone who likes Converse trainers, listens to their music all the time. You're awesome. Here's to an epic celebration. Another great set. So look how that's been covered with the white toes and that. I think that's great. This is my favourite because it goes with my favourite bundle in the catalogue. So remember those bottles in the Bubbles and Fizz? Or the Bottles and Bubbles set. So this is Bubbles and Fizz Designer Series paper. So this is a 12 by 12 pack of paper. So your retail amount is normally what, £10 on this. So again, you can use this, and it just coordinates. And as I say, some of this will be used in the Partners Across the Pond page. But some more samples. So again, here is some tutti frutti cards and envelopes. Again, coordinating with Spring Summer catalogue products. So these coordinate with that fruit set that was there in the same colours as well. But you obviously can use them for anything you like as well. It doesn't have to be those. Pandas. Pandas, oh pandas. I think these pandas are what last year's chickens were. I'm not seeing it myself, but people are going mad for these pandas, and they will grow on me. I know they'll grow on me. They're very cute. Maybe I just don't do cutesy enough. I don't know. But yes, these are already a massive hit. So again, free with your £45 order. The Party Pandas. And you've got a hi, love you, and happy birthday. The hi actually fits in this letter here, and the balloon. Well, I love you will as well. But again, another happy birthday greeting there. So this, 2 different things here. So you've got a stamp set, which is free with a £45 order, which is You Are Simply Amazing, or You Are Simply Amazing to Me, Let's Celebrate, Celebrate You. You can have all sorts of things there. So you've got a flower, you've got this kind of sunburst image, which you can do twice into circles. But we also have this die set here. So this is 3 dies with Celebrate, You and Amazing. So the dies are free when you order, this is a level 2, so when you order £90 worth of products. So if you wanted them both and you were ordering £135, then you can get them both, stamp set and die set, for free. Excuse me, obviously been talking too much, but look at these fab ideas there. And then again, some more ideas here, but this stamp set actually comes in 2 boxes. There's so many stamps in it, so 16 rubber stamps, and you can almost say anything you like here. So best wishes, happy birthday, happy anniversary, happy day, happy anniversary day, happy, oh, you know, you are the best, all sorts of things. So sending my very best. But that's a level 2 as well, because it's such a big stamp set, and these, you could just use these as they are as well. But yes, so that's that as well. So that's if you're going to shop. So what else do we need to know about? If you host a party, so again, if you were to either pass around a catalogue to you and your friends for me and collect orders, or if you were to order a large amount yourself, and as I said to you, you get the Stampin' Rewards for orders over £150, which is 10%. But during Celebration, if you order over £200, then you not only get your 10%, but you get £20 more as well. So 10% on a £200 order would be £20 of freebies, and then Stampin' Up are doubling that basically and giving you another £20 there as well. So upwards of orders £525 or more would get you 16% plus another £20 as well. So always good. So again, a good way if you want to get some stuff for free, pass the catalogue round to friends and family, collect £200 worth of orders, and you can pick something for 40 quid for free. There you go. What's not to like? But if you are placing orders of £150 or more, then we really need to talk. So why do we need to talk? Well, Celebration is the best time to join Stampin' Up as a demonstrator. And I'm going to tell you a little bit more about me later. I think we should do it face to face. But basically, during Celebration, normally you would, to join Stampin' Up, it's £99. You get to pick £130 worth of goodies for yourself for free. And it's paid, P&P is paid for, so there's not any P&P charges on top of that. So £130, P&P paid for £99, and that's a good enough deal any time of the year. But during Celebration, so up until the end of March, then what they say is pick 2 free stamp sets of your choice. Any stamp sets, any catalogue. Now the most expensive stamp set in one of the catalogues is £45, so if you were to buy 2 of those, one for you and one for your friend or your mum, then you'd get £90 worth of stamp sets on top of that free. So that's your £130 plus up to £90 more, so £220 worth of stuff for £99. What's not to like? What's not to like? There are no catches. I am Mrs. Cynical, and there are no catches. And the Stampin' Styles team are a fun, fabulous group, and we are growing all the time. We'd love to have you join us. So think if you've got a long wish list that's more than £99, we really should be having a look at you joining, and you get a discount off all your orders from there on. So what's not to love about that? But we'll talk about that later. So that's it. I'm going to love and leave you for a bit more. Hopefully this one will be fine. But I'm going to be back shortly with some live crafting, so I'm going to get myself ready, and I will be back in a bit.